Apple has released macOS Ventura for public beta testers. Hey guys, my name is KS Kiral. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install macOS Ventura on your Mac very easily. This video is exclusive to Apple Silicon users. I'm going to install macOS Ventura alongside stable macOS. What I meant to say is that when you turn on your Mac, it will prompt you asking to boot into macOS Ventura or the current stable macOS. Using a dual boot method, we're going to run the macOS stable and macOS Ventura on the same Mac. This eliminates all of the headaches and allows you to try out the latest macOS by installing it on a separate partition. Alright, so as you can see, this is my MacBook Air with Apple Silicon inside. As of now, it's currently running a macOS Monterey. The procedure is same for both Intel and Apple Silicon based Mac. As I said, we are installing macOS Ventura alongside stable macOS. We need to create a separate volume or partition. For that, you need to reserve a free space of at least 50 GB on your Mac. Then open the app called Disk Utility. Look for the main internal SSD, which is named as Apple SSD. If you don't see Apple SSD, from the menu bar, choose View and select Show All Devices. Now select Apple SSD and choose Partition. At the bottom left, click on the plus button, then choose Add Volume. Name it whatever you fancy. Now in my case, I'm going to name it as macOS Ventura Beta and select the file system as APFS. Now click on Add to create a new volume. This is where we are going to install macOS Ventura Beta. You don't have to specify any space for this volume. It will automatically use the space needed for installation from the main storage pool. Once it's done, head over to this link, sign in with your Apple ID, and enroll your Mac to receive the beta software. You may end up downloading the DMG file. Once it's done, double tap on the DMG file. Then go ahead and install the package. Once it's done installing, you will see a new software update, which in this case is macOS 13 Beta. Go ahead and click on the Upgrade now. Make sure you have connected to the internet to download the massive update. So this will take some time. Sit back and relax. Once it's done, you will see a macOS Ventura installer. Click on Continue and agree with terms and conditions. Now click on Show All Disk. Here, look for the volume you created. Now in my case, it's macOS Ventura. I'm going to select this volume, then enter the login password and start installing macOS Ventura. If in case you're using Apple Silicon, you get this new feature that may ask to set the owner for the new volume. Choose the current login user as the owner, then take this option to copy account settings of current macOS to beta. So this way, after rebooting Ventura, you don't need to create any user account. You can use the same macOS Monterey login credentials. The installation process will take a lot of time. It's always recommended to connect to the power source during installation. Once it's done, your MacBook will restart a couple of times and may finish installing macOS Ventura. It took me around 30 minutes to finish the installation. Now, as you can see, this is the welcome screen you get to see in macOS Ventura with all new background wallpaper. I'm gonna quickly walk through and finish setting up macOS Ventura. And that's it. This is how you install macOS Ventura on any Mac without damaging the current macOS. If you want to switch back to the previous macOS, restart your Mac. While it's restarting, hold the power key to load startup options. Once you see loading startup options, you can release the finger from the power button. Now this will take you to One True Boot, which is exclusive to Apple Silicon Mac. To boot into macOS stable, use Macintosh HD. This way you can seamlessly switch between the macOS stable and public beta without any issues. For now, I'm going to select more options, which will take me to macOS recovery. From here, using the Apple drop-down menu, choose Startup Disk and set this to Macintosh HD. This way, when you restart the Mac, it will load stable macOS. If you want to boot into beta, restart the Mac and hold the power key to load boot options. Lastly, I want to show you guys if in case you decided to remove or delete the macOS Ventura from the dual boot, first open Settings, then choose Software Update. On the left, click on Details and choose to restore defaults. This will look for stable updates only. Once it's done, open a Disk Utility. From the sidebar, choose the volume where beta has installed and click on minus to delete volume group. Now this will delete macOS Ventura from your Mac. Now if you restart the Mac, it will directly boot into stable macOS, which in this case is macOS Monterey. And that's pretty much it. If in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see a versatile tech content. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you at my next one.